Let's make miso-glazed aubergine with bok choy. The recipe is in the description box below. In a small bowl, whisk together the miso paste, tamari, maple syrup, rice vinegar, grated ginger and sesame oil. Cut the aubergines in half. Place the aubergine halves in a large non-stick pan over medium heat with some olive oil. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Flip them over, cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Turn the heat to low and spoon the miso glaze over the cut sides of the aubergines. Cover and let the glaze cook gently for 1 to 2 minutes. In a separate pan, heat some oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and stir for 30 seconds. Add the bok choy halves. Add a splash of tamari and water. Cover and steam for 2 to 3 minutes. Arrange the glazed aubergine and bok choy on a plate. If you like, you can sprinkle the vegetables with some toasted sesame seeds, a sliced spring onion, and a squeeze of lime. Enjoy!